Hi folks, Frank from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions introducing this very special Aussie muscle car. It's lot 700 in our annual Grand CARMada auction event coming up at the end of September. It is a 1970 Ford Falcon GTHO Phase 2, fully restored, genuine and matching numbers. It's as good as it gets, folks. Let's take a closer look. An exceptionally rare opportunity to secure an award-winning, fully restored and matching numbers Ford XW GTHO Phase 2 Falcon. With only 2 owners from new, this highly desirable collector's car is accompanied by its original logbooks, service records and purchase receipts. Fitted with iconic Bathurst Globe wheels, it retains a true period-correct presence. Finished in the factory Reef Green with contrasting black vinyl interior, this car has been meticulously restored inside and out, an impeccable standard. A genuine piece of Australian motoring history, it's a standout example of one of Ford's most legendary muscle cars in Australia. So there it is, folks, lot 700 in our annual Grand CARMada auction event. Go into lloydsauctions.com.au or give us a call, 1800 456 588. If you've got any questions at all, I'll see you at the auction.